Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two methods how you can remove a notification software like Tabula ads or other like that virus from your Xiaomi 13. So at the start, if you see something like that in your web browser, or maybe something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways. So the first one is by the settings. So we have to open the settings, of course, then go to the apps and choose the manage apps. Now check all of the apps in this list to check that you have any unwanted apps, the apps that you have not installed before by yourself, or just something strange. If you see something like that, just tap on it and click on install. Click OK, and that's it. After that, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. In the web browser, just go to the data usage. Go to the storage and tap on the clear data. Choose manage space and tap on the clear all data. Now tap OK, and your web browser should be free from the notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. I'm always using the Avast. You can also try to download any other app. So tap on the get started, next, and skip. Now close the ad and close the ad again. Tap continuous free and choose the start scan. Now we have to grant a permission and go back to the app. Now choose the scan time. I recommend you to use the deep scan. Okay, and now after the scanning process, all of the softwares, unwanted softwares, the viruses will be deleted. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.